Hello, children. This is Class 1 EVS. Welcome to all of you in today's EVS class. Student, today we are going to learn chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Festivals and Celebration. Students, India is a very big country. The people of India speak different languages, practice different religions, and celebrate different festivals. Festivals are time for fun and celebration, time for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes and make delicious sweet and special food to share friends and relatives also. There are some festival celebration whole country, some festival celebrated by religious. So students, in this chapter we discuss uh, festivals. That means the first topic is national festival, and second topic is religious festival, and another is other celebration. Students, look at the picture and the name of the festival. What is the festival? So first of all, read the chapter. Students, let's restart. Okay, we celebrate many festivals. We enjoy and have fun on festivals. These are two types. Number one is national festival, and another is religious festival. Students, first of all, we discuss the national festival. Festivals which the people of a nation celebrate to recall an important event of the past are called national festival. Some of them are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the celebrating the whole country, because these are the our national festival. Celebrate means a happy day or event enjoy with many people, and recall means bring back to mind. That means जो पहले हुआ था उसको हम फिर से रिकॉल करते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इट्स अ रिकॉल. तो नेशनल फेस्टिवल वही रिकॉल होते हैं जो कि हमें अपने पुराने दिनों को याद करवाते हैं, हाउ वी आर फ्रीडम. सो दीज आर द नेशनल फेस्टिवल. हमारे माइंड को पीछे की तरफ लेके जाते हैं कि हम लोगों ने कैसे आज़ादी पाई, पहले हम कैसे काम किया हम लोगों ने ज्वाइंट होके. सो हमारा रिपब्लिक डे, इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड द गांधी जयंती. सो नाउ कम फर्स्ट रिपब्लिक डे. It is celebrated on January 26th every year. The President of India hosts the national flag on this day at Rajpath in New Delhi. Student, this is a Republic Day. We celebrate every year on 26th January. Student, Independence Day. Independence Day come. It is celebrated on August 15 every year. India got freedom on this day. The day the Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi on this day. Students, मैं आपको पहले इसमें डिफरेंस भी बता देती हूँ. रिपब्लिक डे वी सेलिब्रेट ऑन जनवरी 26 and Independence Day we celebrate 15th August. And on the Republic Day, President hosts the flag, and Independence Day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag. And also एंड रेड फोर्ट इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन रेड फोर्ट में नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट होता है, और यहाँ पर रिपब्लिक डे के दिन राजपथ न्यू दिल्ली में हमारे राष्ट्रपति जो प्रेसिडेंट है वो होस्ट करते नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द Republic Day and Independence Day. The next is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2nd every year. It is the birthday of the Mahatma Gandhi. Students, Mahatma Gandhi is also a father of the nation. So this is a very important for all of us, because he is main part, he is the main role of the freedom fighters. The next is time to answer. uh, so you can do, because we are reading the chapter, that's why. Okay, next is religious festival. Come to the our religious festival. People of different religion celebrating different festival in different way. Let us read about them. First is Diwali. It is the festival of lights. On this day, we decorate our homes with diya, rangoli, and lights. People exchange gifts and sweets also. Come to the next is Dashera. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravan, the demon king of Lanka. Model of Ramana stuffed with crackers are burned on this day. Next is Idul Fitr. Idul Fitr is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. People go to the mosque to offer prayer or namaz. Students, in Idul Fitr पूरे एक मंथ फास्ट करने के बाद हम लोग ईद उल फितर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं और मास्क में जाते हैं, वहाँ पर प्रेयर करते हैं, नमाज करते हैं. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज गुरु परब. Our next is Guru Parab. It makes the birthday of the major gurus of Sikh. On this day, people go to the Gurudwara to pray. Colorful procession are taken out at the various places. Next is Christmas, जिसको हम लोग बड़ा दिन भी बोलते हैं. It is celebrated on the December of 25th every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas tree on this day and go to church to pray. The Bible. Students, the Bible is the holy book on the Christian. Students, fill in the blanks now. We already here fill up, so you can easily do it. Okay. The next is other celebration. A person birthday is a special day for him or her. We celebrate birthday with our family and friends. Yes, student, we are very happy ना when you are birthday. जब आपका जिस दिन बर्थडे होता है आप बहुत खुश होते हो कि आपको चॉकलेट देनी है, आपको न्यू कपड़े पहनना है ना. तो this is a celebration time also. Wedding is also a special day. It is celebrated with family members and friends over several days. People sing, dance, and eat lots of sweets and tasty food in wedding. Students, come to the next time to answer. A person birthday is not a special day for her and him. Is it true or false? False, because everyone likes her birthday. Is it? Okay, so these are the special day. This is a special day. Wedding are celebrated with the family members. Yes, हम लोग फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ वेडिंग वगैरह सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स ट्रू. Student terms defined. It's a very few small national festival that are celebrated by people of the country to recall an important event of the past. हमारे पास्ट में क्या स्पेशल हुआ था उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, याद करते हैं, रिकॉल करते हैं. सो दिस इज अ नेशनल फेस्टिवल. रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल दैट आर सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन. एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन में जो भी सेलिब्रेशन होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल. सो स्टूडेंट, समरी ऑफ दिस इन दिस चैप्टर, इसमें हमने डिफरेंट टाइप्स के festivals पढ़े. That means there are two types of the festival. One is national festival There are three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and then Gandhi Jayanti. Second festivals are religious festival like Diwali, Dashera, Eid ul Fitr, Guru Parv, है ना, Christmas also, and other celebration like birthday, anniversary, wedding celebration. So these are the other celebration. So now you again watch the TV. If you having any doubts, any problem, you can call me. Okay, thank you. Watch video carefully.